If you've ever been annoyed by that loud popping sound from your stereo when you turn your vehicle on or off, there's a handy device that promises to fix this common issue. The 12V to 5V step-down converter AFDI-5V is designed specifically for select Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury vehicles, and it's quite a straightforward solution for what can be a very jarring problem. The problem of the popping sound usually stems from a voltage spike that occurs when the ignition sends power to the stereo system. This can not only be unpleasant but can potentially harm the stereo's components over time. The AFDI-5V converter works by smoothing out these spikes, ensuring that the voltage remains consistent and safe, thereby eliminating the dreaded pop. Installing the converter is relatively simple. It integrates directly into the factory wiring harness of the stereo system, which means you don't have to deal with cutting wires or any complicated modifications. It's a plug-and-play device that most car audio enthusiasts or DIYers can handle without needing professional help. However, it's always good to consult with a professional if you're not confident in your ability to install electronic accessories in vehicles. Once installed, the immediate difference in the audio experience is quite noticeable. The absence of the popping sound when turning on or off the stereo makes the listening experience much more enjoyable and less startling. This is particularly important for those who value the quality and longevity of their car audio system. Moreover, this converter isn't just about eliminating. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.